Tennant Company, a leader in developing innovative solutions that help create a cleaner, safer, healthier world, brings you the T20 Heavy-Duty Industrial Scrubber. Reduce your cost to clean with innovative technologies and quality construction for reliable operation in the toughest conditions. Achieve excellent cleaning results with aggressive scrubbing, Max Pro 2 hydraulic technology, and Tennant's high-performance squeegee and water recovery systems. An optional scrubbing side brush increases productivity by expanding your cleaning path. Reduce training and simplify operation with a standard touch-and-go control module that easily and comfortably lets the operator control cleaning functions while maintaining an eyes-forward position with both hands on the steering wheel. The optional Pro Panel control module integrates multiple controls into an intuitive touchscreen interface, simplifying operation and ensuring consistent cleaning performance for all operators. Performance View featured on the Pro Panel allows operators a rear view of the cleaning path without taking their eyes off the direction of travel. Operators can now clearly see behind the machine while backing up, enhancing safety. T20's spacious cab-forward design, steering wheel mounted controls, and open sightlines provide increased visibility and operator comfort. Easy to identify yellow maintenance touchpoints make pre-inspections and routine maintenance quick and easy. The squeegee and brushes are tool-free and designed to be removed easily and quickly for inspection. Scrub up to 3 times longer on a single tank of water and use up to 70% less water with Tennant's innovative EC Water technology. EC Water technology reduces environmental impact and improves your bottom line by providing increased productivity and chemical cost savings. An optional spray hose makes machine spray down and cleanup easy. And an optional high-powered pressure washer allows for blast cleaning of hard-to-reach areas. Protect your facility, operator, and assets with a standard heavy-duty wraparound steel bumper and optional rear squeegee guard. An optional overhead guard helps protect the operator from falling objects and debris. To keep your machine running at peak performance, utilize Tennant True Parts and Service backed by a factory-trained service network. Tennant's T20, delivering exceptional scrubbing performance, reduced cost to clean, improved facility image, and health and safety benefits, all in an easy-to-use and maintain heavy-duty industrial scrubber. Tennant, changing the way the world cleans.